Hi there. Okay, this is another of my videos with vowel sounds. All of these words begin with b and end in n. Okay, and you're going to have various vowel sounds or combination of vowel sounds in the middle. So, let's see. Let's start with this. Number 1, bathe. Number 2, barn. Number 3, ban. Number 4, ben. Number 5, bun. Number 6, ball. Number 7, bean. Number 8, bin. Number 9, bone. Number 10, boon. Number 11, burn. Okay, that's all of them. I hope you got them. So thanks for listening, and if you've got any questions, post below. Thanks very much. Bye.